Imagine you're sitting on the edge of your seat, waiting eagerly for a package to arrive. You've ordered something special, something that's going to change your life. That's how I felt when I first decided to open a Monzo account. I'd heard so many amazing things about it: the sleek app, the real-time notifications, the ability to set aside money for specific goals. But I had one burning question: how long would it actually take to get up and running? So, I decided to put Monzo to the test. Part 1: The application process. I started by downloading the Monzo app from the App Store. It was a quick and easy process, and I was impressed by how intuitive the interface was. The first step was to provide some basic information about myself, such as my name, address, and date of birth. Then, I had to take a selfie and verify my identity. This was a bit of a curveball, but it was a necessary step to ensure the security of my account. The process was straightforward, and I was able to complete it in a few minutes. Next, I had to provide proof of address. This was a little more time-consuming, but I was able to find a recent utility bill that I could upload. Once I had submitted all the required documents, I was asked to wait for verification. Monzo said that this could take a few days, but I was hoping for a quicker turnaround. Part 2: The waiting game. The waiting period was a bit nerve-wracking. I checked my Monzo app every few hours, hoping to see a notification that my account had been approved. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, I received an email from Monzo. My account had been verified. I was so excited that I immediately logged into the app to explore its features. I was not disappointed. The app was everything I had hoped it would be. Part 3: The first transaction. The next step was to order my Monzo card. This was a simple process, and I was able to select a design that I liked. It took a few days for my card to arrive, but when it did, I was eager to try it out. I went to a nearby shop and made my first purchase. The transaction was smooth and seamless. My card was accepted without any problems, and I received a notification on my phone as soon as the payment was processed. Part 4: The verdict. So, how long did it take me to open a Monzo account? From start to finish, the entire process took about a week. This included the time it took for my identity and address to be verified, as well as the time it took for my card to arrive. I was impressed with how efficient the process was. Monzo made it easy to apply for an account and get started. Overall, I'm very happy with my Monzo account. It's a great way to manage my finances, and I love the convenience of being able to check my balance and make payments from my phone. If you're considering opening a Monzo account, I highly recommend it. It's a great option for anyone who wants a simple and easy-to-use banking experience. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.